Do you know the difference between a VPN and a proxy? Well, if you're scratching your head, don't worry. You're not alone. In the vast world of internet technology, these two terms are often thrown around, but not everyone understands what they mean or why they matter. But here's the thing, they're important, especially when it comes to your online privacy and security. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just a regular internet user, it's crucial to understand these concepts. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what sets a VPN apart from a proxy. First, let's tackle what a proxy is. In the world of internet connectivity, a proxy acts like a middleman between your device and the internet. It's like having a digital go-between who takes your requests, then fetches and delivers the data for you. There are different types of proxies, each with its unique characteristics. Forward proxies, for instance, can hide your IP address, providing some degree of anonymity. Transparent proxies, on the other hand, don't hide your identity, but can be useful for content filtering. Anonymous proxies keep your IP a secret, while high-anonymity proxies switch IPs frequently to make detection harder. Distorting proxies, as the name suggests, give a false IP, and data center proxies offer high-speed and massive IP pools. Residential proxies use real IP addresses of residential devices, providing high credibility, and public proxies are freely available, but may compromise on speed and security. While proxies can offer anonymity and help bypass geo-restrictions, they don't encrypt your data, which means they might not be the best choice for sensitive information. So, that's a proxy for you. But how does it compare to a VPN? Now let's dive into what a VPN is. A virtual private network, or VPN, is like your personal tunnel in the vast internet highway. It provides a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the server, keeping your data safe from prying eyes. Think of it as your private, encrypted bubble in the ocean of digital information. A VPN shields your internet activity, making it almost impossible for anyone to track your online movements. It also masks your IP address, giving you the freedom to surf the web anonymously. This makes VPNs a popular choice for those concerned about privacy, or who need to access geographically restricted content. However, VPNs are not without their drawbacks. They can slow down your internet speed due to the additional security measures, and sometimes they might not be compatible with certain websites or services. But the benefits often outweigh the downsides. Whether it's for enhanced privacy, bypassing censorship, or safe public Wi-Fi use, VPNs offer a level of protection that's hard to beat. That's your VPN. But how does it stack up against a proxy? Finally, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The differences between a VPN and a proxy. When it comes to privacy, VPNs are the clear winner. They encrypt your entire internet connection, keeping your online activities hidden from prying eyes. On the other hand, proxies only handle your web traffic, leaving other applications exposed. Now let's talk about security. VPNs not only encrypt your connection, but also provide additional security layers, making them a safer choice. Proxies, however, don't offer such comprehensive protection. They can hide your IP address, sure, but they lack the robust security features of a VPN. In terms of speed, proxies usually have the upper hand. Since they lack the encryption process of VPNs, they can offer faster speeds. But remember, speed without security can be risky. Finally, in terms of overall functionality, VPNs offer more versatility. They can bypass geographical restrictions, protect your data on public Wi-Fi, and allow safe torrenting. Proxies can also bypass geo-restrictions, but they fall short in other areas. And there you have it, the main differences between a VPN and a proxy. Now, you can make an informed decision about which one suits your needs best.